Hi, I'm Daniel with American Gas Safety, and today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to wire one of our water valves. First thing you're going to do, take the wire. We usually recommend between 14 and 18 gauge wire. Today I'm using 18 for this example. Wire it through there. Grab your coil. There's going to be 3 contactors on it. Most important thing is the middle one is the ground. The other 2 are pretty much interchangeable because they're non-polarized contacts. I'm going to wire this up. When you insert this back in, you can insert it any direction you want. I want my coil to be at a 90-degree angle, so I'm going to insert it as such. Boom. Put this rubber cover on it. Remove this cover. Plug it in to your valve. Last step, insert the bolt, tighten it up. Last 2 things I want to mention. If you loosen this bolt, the whole coil can turn, so you can adjust the position for whatever your project calls for. And last but not least, this valve can be installed facing almost any orientation other than upside down. This will prevent proper flow, and that's pretty much it. Boom, we're done.